You can have pink or red or blue or purple. Anything you want. Pink. Pink is going to be so cute. All right, let me see. There she is. Here she is. Pink. Are you going to go for soft baby girl pink or bright?
I want to have this color.
You want rainbow? You want your do you want to have like a rainbow on your face and Minnie Mouse?
Oh, honey,
yes. Yeah, we'll try it. That might look really, really, really pretty. Let's try it.
I'm sorry.
I know.
You remember me?
I do. We had too much fun at your party, didn't we? It was such a fun day.
How did you get here?
I got here in a car. Okay, so let's put a rainbow. Do you want your bow to be a rainbow?
I want eyeshadow.
Ooh, good idea.
Rainbow eyeshadow.
Okay, close your eyes. Other side. Okay, now let me dry it a little. And let me sparkle it a little. Close your eyes. Don't open. Okay, good girl. Don't rub it. That's a good girl. You want to see it so far? Here, see it.
I love it.
Yay! So, are you going to go for the classic black Minnie Mouse ears, or do you want to try a different color?
I love it.
Do you want to have your ears be black?
I love an eyebrow.
Are you going to have a pink bow? Let me put your bow on.
I love my eyebrow.
Your eyes are so pretty. I'm going to put your bow on, okay?
They are green. They are green.
Let's put your bow on. Okay, let me see you, sweeties. And then we'll let that dry because we have to outline it. And it's pretty, right?
Yeah.
And can we sparkle again? Here, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open them. Good job. Do you want to have, honey? Do you want to have purple Minnie Mouse ears or black?
Okay.
You don't want ears? You don't want Minnie Mouse ears?
No.
The little ears?
I just have ears.
I know you have ears. Do you want Minnie Mouse ears? Like little circles right here and here? So you look like Minnie
I
Mouse?
just want pink.
Pink ears? That's pretty.
I want a green dot in my bow.
I'm gonna draw your bow now. Okay, hold nice and still.
Yeah, you always seem to impress, big guy. His eyes lit right up on the Christmas tree. I know it's good perfect, George.
I just done it.
You have perfect in there.
Here's your bow. Are you gonna have some little ears now? Little ears?
That's
Soya beans. You look beautiful.
She's on the fence about her ears.
Oh, you're good with your ears, Sawyer.
You don't want ears? You like it like this?
You can have cute little ears.
It looks cute. What about, are you gonna have a Minnie Mouse nose? Okay. Is it gonna be black?
no
Pink. That's gonna be so cute.
Can I see my neck? Can I see my neck too?
I want to get one right here. I think it's what they call it.
Here, I'm gonna see your face now. I'm gonna see your nose. Are you gonna have pink lipstick? That'll be so pretty.
I love my pink.
I love your pink nose too. Here, let me see your lipstick. That's pretty. Oh, good girl. That helps so much. Thank you, honey. That helps. What about little pink cheeks? Would that be cute? I think we should have tiny bit of pink on your cheeks.
Why do you paint people? Why do you paint kids?
I don't know, because somebody taught me to do it and I thought it was fun. I don't want your movie to be hidden behind the mirror. Can you hold the mirror like this? Like this? What about some little eyelashes? You look so pretty. What about, oh, I know what. I'm lucky.
I'm going to keep
Don't be corrupting my boy over there. Yeah.
What about, oh, I love this one. This is a new stencil. What about some stars? Is that okay? Yeah?
I mean, I think I sat down to drive.
Is that almost ready?
I didn't want to do it till some left. Oh, Peter.
I love it.
And we'll put some over here, right?
What are you getting, buddy?
It's pretty, right? Look at you.